everybody! Welcome! Today we are going to draw a banana. Do you like banana? It is delicious and has a lot of potassium. We start by making the banana shape from the top. So very good. We draw the skin on one side and on the other. So very good. Now we continue doing the bottom part. It's doing them very well. If you are liking the video, you can subscribe and like. Now we draw a very round eye and the other. And the smiling mouth. I'm going to draw some cheeks. We make a line. And now we review the drawing. And all that remains is to color the drawing. See you in the next video. See you later.